Portable charcoal grills offer a winning combination of superior flavor, affordability, and convenience. Our comprehensive testing has explored a diverse range of these compact cooking powerhouses, designed to elevate your outdoor culinary experiences, whether you're at a campground, park, or tailgate party. These grills not only outperform their gas counterparts in terms of taste, but also tend to be more budget-friendly. There are many portable charcoal grills to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best portable charcoal grill from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. The Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts and grill masters on the move. This compact and lightweight grill offers impressive versatility, accommodating up to 6 burgers made with a Weber burger press on its 160 square inch primary cooking area. Its porcelain enameled lid and base not only retain heat efficiently, but also resist rusting and peeling, ensuring long-lasting durability. The grill's standout feature is its locking lid, which provides secure portability, making it ideal for picnics, camping trips, or tailgating events. Temperature control is a breeze with the built-in dampers, allowing you to fine-tune your cooking environment. The durable plated steel cooking grate retains heat effectively and is easy to clean, simplifying post-grilling maintenance. Number 2. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. The Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill combines portability with impressive grilling capacity, making it the ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts and backyard BBQ cloovers alike. This compact and lightweight grill can accommodate up to 8 burgers made with a Weber burger press, offering ample cooking space for your favorite meals. Its porcelain enamel lid and bowl excel at heat retention while resisting rust and peeling, ensuring durability and consistent cooking performance. The innovative tuck-in carry lid lock serves a dual purpose, securing the lid for transport and doubling as a holder to keep it off the ground during use. Temperature control is effortless with the built-in dampers, allowing you to fine-tune your grilling environment. Perfect for weekend getaways, beach outings, or spontaneous patio cookouts. The Jumbo Joe comes with 3D interactive assembly instructions via the free built app for easy setup. Number 3. Char-Griller Portable Kamado Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller Portable Kamado Charcoal Grill offers versatile cooking capabilities in a compact, portable design. This Kamado-style grill and smoker excels at both high-heat grilling and low and slow cooking, making it perfect for various outdoor culinary adventures. Its insulated construction with a locking lid effectively traps smoke, heat, and moisture, rivaling the performance of expensive ceramic Kamados while using less charcoal. Built to last, the grill features heavy-gauge powder-coated steel and thick cast-iron cooking grates, ensuring maximum durability and superior heat retention. Temperature control is a breeze with indexed adjustable dual dampers and a built-in thermometer, allowing for precise heat management. The Easy Dump Ash Pan simplifies post-grilling cleanup, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this portable Kamado grill delivers exceptional flavor and cooking versatility. Number 4. Kamado Joe Portable Ceramic Charcoal Grill. The Kamado Joe Portable Ceramic Charcoal Grill is a premium 13.5 ceramic grill that brings high-quality cooking to any outdoor setting. Its thick-walled, heat-resistant shell excels at locking in smoke and moisture across all temperature ranges, ensuring flavorful results every time. The grill features a durable cast iron stand for stability and a cast iron air vent for precise temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune your cooking environment. The 304 stainless steel cooking grate offers a generous grilling surface that's both durable and easy to clean. A built-in temperature gauge helps you monitor and maintain optimal cooking temperatures with ease. Despite its robust construction, the Joe Jr. is surprisingly portable, making it perfect for tailgating, lakeside cookouts, or any outdoor adventure. Number 5. S&S Grills Slow and Sear Travel Kettle. The S&S Grills Slow and Sear Travel Kettle is an 18 portable grilling powerhouse that brings versatility and convenience to outdoor cooking adventures. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or enjoying a backyard cookout, this compact grill delivers full-size performance. It features a slow-in sear charcoal basket for efficient 2-zone cooking, allowing you to sear steaks to perfection or achieve that smoky BBQ flavor with low and slow cooking. The innovative Easy Spin Grill Grate offers easy access to coals and effortless heat control, making grilling on the go both simple and enjoyable. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the 5-vent no-touch ash removal system, while the smoke hole provides refined airflow control. And a 1/2-inch probe port ensures accurate temperature readings, and the lid cradle adds convenience to your grilling experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.